Assalamu alaikum, 6th class. Today's we are doing exercise number 6.1, question number 4 and 5. The statement of the question number 4 is write each of the following quantities into the ratio and reduce into the simplest form. Students, you have to convert these two quantities into ratio and then write the ratio in simplest form. The first condition to write the quantities in ratio is that first of all you have to see that both the quantities have same unit. If they have same units, then we write them in ratio form and reduce the ratio in simplest form. So our first question is rupees 100 and rupees 250. Both quantities have same units, so we write them in ratio form. This is the ratio form, and then reduce into the simplest form by divided by the HCF 50. Then 52s are 100 and 55s are 250. Now this is the simplest form of ratio. Next, our second part is 2 kg and 800 grams. 2 kg and 800 grams. Both the quantities have not same units. So we convert the 2 kg into grams. 1 kilogram contain 100 grams, so 2 kg contains 1 kg contains 1000 grams and 2 kg contains 2000 grams and 800 grams. So both quantities have same units, so we can write them in the ratio form and divided by the HCF 400 to reduce them into the simplest form. 400 5s are 2000 and 402s are 800. Similar students, our third part is 1 meter and 500 centimeter. 1 meter and 500 centimeters. 1 meter contains 100 centimeters and 500 centimeters. 100 ratio 500 divided by HCF 100. Our answer becomes 1 ratio 5. A fourth part is 1 years and 240 days. 1 years and 240 days. Students, 1 year contains 365 days. So both quantities have same units. Now we can write them in ratio form. 365 ratio 240 divided by HCF. The HCF of these two quantities is 5. Our answer becomes 73 ratio 48. So last part you have to do by yourself. Now our question number 5 is simplify 12 is to 120. So students, we have to simplify this is to means ratio. 12 ratio 120 divided by HCF. The HCF of 12 and 120 is 12. Our answer becomes 12 ones are 12 and 12 tens are 120. Similarly, 25 ratio 50 divided by HCF 25. Our answer becomes 1 ratio 2. So students, your diary completed. You can note your diary. That is exercise number 6.1, question number 4 and 5 practice. Thank you.